Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've been thinking, we're a couple weeks into the new year. Everybody is working on their New Year's resolutions, trying to get their body right, trying to get a new job, whatever it is you decided to do for the new year. But I was just telling myself, like, some things don't need to be new. A wise man once told me, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So in this video, we are going to be talking about some hair care products that I use every single time I do my hair and that I will continue to use every single time I do my hair. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so if we're talking through a hair care routine, I might as well start from the top, and that is with shampoo. Now I am a girl that shampoos my hair. I do not believe in co-washing. I feel like that is just not for me. I was gonna say something, but I don't want to offend all the naturals out there. So I do use shampoo every single time I wash my hair, which is once every week or 2 weeks if I'm stretching it like how I'm stretching this straight hair. So the shampoo that has been taking all of my coins and will continue to take my coins is the Ulysses Volume Clarifying Shampoo. Now I actually have a video reviewing this shampoo and I think the conditioner. I don't use the other products anymore. This is all I use because I feel like, one, it's super cheap, but two, it's the only shampoo that I have used that I feel really cleanses my scalp. You know, shampoos, you don't really need a lot, but this, a little goes a long way. I feel like it lifts everything off of my scalp, and I definitely get really bad product buildup. I have really bad dry scalp, so I need something that is gonna like get all that stuff up out of there because it's freaking gross and disgusting, and I feel like this does a really good job of that. So I figure if I'm telling you guys what I love, then it's not fair for me to just be biased. I should probably give you some pros and cons to all these products. So pros, we just talked about. Cons is, I will say that it doesn't leave my hair feeling as soft as some other shampoos that I've tried. Not to say that my hair feels brittle, but I definitely follow it up with some sort of deep conditioner because I don't use regular conditioner, which we'll get into later. But that would be the only con that I have for this shampoo. So like I just mentioned, I don't really use conditioners, and that's just because I feel like if I'm gonna deep condition my hair, what's the point in using a conditioner? So if you guys know anything about conditioners and feel like I should be using them, let's discuss it in the comments, because honestly, I'm just that person that is like, I'm trying to make my wash day as short as possible, and adding conditioner when I know I'm gonna deep condition is just redundant to me. But the deep conditioner that has truly been taking all of my coins is this Diva Curl Heaven in Hair Conditioner. It smells amazing. It leaves my hair feeling like a baby's butt. And I don't know if you ever felt the baby's butt, but it's soft. Y'all, I have tried so many different deep conditioners, and I honestly feel like this is the only one that I have a noticeable difference. So like I mentioned, I have really bad dry scalp, and the products that I use really can either help that or make it a lot worse. And deep conditioner is the main thing that I have noticed in my own hair that really contributes to my dry scalp. So the con to this is it is really expensive. It's over $20 a jar. You don't really get that much product. This probably lasts me about a good 4-ish wash days, which is not as long lasting as other deep conditioners that I've tried. But y'all, when I run out of this stuff, I try to be cheap and use something else, and literally in 1.5 days my scalp is so itchy, it's dry, it's flaky. But as soon as I go back to using this deep conditioner, it's like my scalp is replenished for the next 1.5 years. I straightened my hair on Christmas Day, and my hair is still flourishing. Like, I have 0 flakes from dry scalp right now, and I attribute that 100% to this deep conditioner, and that's because I've actually tested other deep conditioners, and y'all, this stuff is the truth with the F. So now let's pretend we're doing a wash and go, right? The next step would be a leave-in conditioner. I do not have a favorite leave-in conditioner. So obviously I use leave-in conditioner every single time I wash my hair. There has not been any that I feel like leaves that wow impression on me. Like, oh my gosh, I have to use this every single time I wash my hair. Definitely leave some recommendations for leave-in conditioners in the comment box, because I am going to be on a mission this year to really find what works for me and stick to it. The same thing can be said for a cream. Now, there is a cream that I really love. It's the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curling Cream. You guys know I talked about this product multiple times, showing you wash and goes with just using that product. It's amazing, I'm not gonna lie. But I get similar results with other products. If it's not something that is like literally up here on the totem pole and every other product is down here, then I just feel like I don't have to keep buying it. So since I get similar results with other products, I tend to use other products. I use whatever is available. And finally, we made it to the end of our wash day, or my wash day, because once I do this last step, I don't really do anything else besides let my hair dry. And that is using a jelly. And before, I didn't really used to use jellies, but this product truly changed me from the inside out. This As I Am curling jelly, this is what I call a miracle in a jar. This stuff is super lightweight. Like, you'll look at it and it's all watery and you're like, what? There's no way this can be good. But when you put it on your hair, it leaves my hair looking wet. Like that wet look where your hair is actually dry but it's shiny, it looks moisturized. That is what this curling jelly does for my hair, and I haven't found anything else that gives me similar results. It gives me the hold that I need without making my hair crunchy. It gives me the definition that I need that lasts. This stuff right here. And honestly, I'm gonna have to say that I do not have a con. This is one product that I don't have a con with. I can't remember how much it costs, but for the amount of this stuff that you get, it's super worth it. All I have to do is stick my hand in it, and whatever's on my fingertips does enough for that section. So you don't go through this really quickly. It smells really good, and it just leaves your hair looking like freaking heaven. I know it's shocking. I only have 3 products that I absolutely love, that I am super loyal to. But let me know in the comments if you guys tried these products, if you like them, if you don't like them. Don't forget to leave your recommendations. I really hope that this video kind of sparked an interest in some of these products for you guys. And since you're still here looking at me, you might as well check out another video and subscribe to my channel.